how to use your phone as a remote for TCL Smart TV. And first of all, download TCL Home app. So go to App Store if you use iPhone, or Google Play if you use Android, and download TCL Home app. After that, connect your phone and TV to this same Wi-Fi. Now make sure the TCL Smart TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open the TCL Home app. So go to your phone, and now you can open the TCL Home app on your phone, and now select your TV. So in the app, tap on Add a device or select TCL Smart TV from the list of available devices. It may take a few minutes to the app to find your TV. The on-screen instruction to pair your phone with the TV, you might need to enter a code display on your TV screen. Now after that, use the phone as a remote. So once connected, you can use your phone like a remote control, or you can control the volume, change channels, or even launch apps on your TV. Now after that, enable voice control. It's optional. If your TV supports voice control, you can also use the voice feature on the app to change channels or search for content. So this is how to use your phone as a remote for TCL Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.